Good morning guys! Ang sakit ng katawan ko. Sakit ng likod ko, sakit ng dito ko, bagtak ko. Ang sakit. Nag-ano kasi kami kahapon, yung workout na ginawa ko, intense. Ngayon pa siya sumakit. Ready na ang coffee nila. Hindi ako magko-coffee kasi we will have breakfast kasama si Kat. Kasama namin sa trip na to si Kat, si Neil, yung kapatid ni Kat, tsaka si Baby V. I'm not sure kung magti-take away coffee ako or ano. Pero I think ready na lahat kasi dinala na ni Danton sa sasakyan yung mga pagkain namin. I'm just wearing this. I usually just wear a white t-shirt, like, you know, very loose top. Kaya lang, mag-breakfast pa kami. Tapos, malamig today. Akala ko pa naman pupunta namin ng Mount Gambia. Maganda yung weather, pero malamig. I'll show you my outfit. So, I'm wearing this really loose. Loose pa rin para comfy kasi sasakyan lang naman ako most of the time today. So, ito, flannel from, I think, Zaful. And then leggings from Kmart. And then I will be wearing my Ugg boots daw. Babe? Are we ready? Okay. Yeah, I'm ready. Magbibihis lang si Dan. Meron silang flag ng cross.
Get hit by a car.
Dito kami sa the house with Kat. She's vlogging! Yay! Video.
Put it on.
What oh, you have a video na? Yeah.
Good.
Neil in his crow shirt. Christina, dito kami sa house. House breakfast. Looks really good actually. The outside looks really nice. They have a couch there with pillows. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Always.
Ang cute niya.
What do you call it? Tourist spot. Tourist.
Really embarrassed na ako. Really nice. Sabi ni Kati, wala daw, hindi daw nag-leak. Ano na? Can you see it? Go change. Tawa. Oh, yun. I know. Hindi alam ni Dan kung ano yung...
I don't even know how to eat it.
Hindi niya alam kung paano kainin. Hindi niya din alam kung ano yung in-order niya. But, sarap niyan. Oo nga eh. I got bacon with scrambled eggs. Tapos, sunny side up yung saya. Tapos bacon din. Kay Neil. What is that? Triple stack, I think? Yes. And then yung kay Kat may salmon. Dun. Wala pa sila nagpalit kay Baby V. Okay, ito na. Magsisimula na ang road trip. First time natin mag-road trip, guys. Pink na manakit. Na-realize. Para kasi Baby V. Ganda ng weather. Ano nga pala ngayon, guys? Grand finals ng Crows at saka Richmond. So, ano siya? Siya yung last footy game of the year. And nag-bet sila. Ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Cute nito. Binili namin. Where did we buy this one, babe? Target? This one. Wait. Lalagyan siya ng mga cold drinks. Yan. See? Ang cool. Makaka-fit ka ng 6 na ganito kalaki. But we have 4 of the Red Bull na parang ano siya, skinny. We have 1 there. And I ended up just wearing my thongs. Hindi ako yung ko, Ugg ko, nandun. There. Yeah. Ang cute nito. So, pagbili namin sa kanya, nilagay namin siya sa freezer para malamig to. And parang ice na to dito. And it will keep it cold. It's nice. It's $10, I think. $10 yan. We've been driving for not long, yeah. Kasi nag-stop kami kanina. I'm not sure. I didn't vlog, did I? No, hindi ako nag-vlog. Nag-stop kami kanina kasi si Baby V umiyak. And we're here at Punaltin right now. Nandito yung mural na pakita natin. There. Diyan kami nag-stop last time. Yung malaking mural. Nice. Ang ganda, diba guys? Napaka-talented ng gumawa niyan. Laki kaya. Stop over ulit kami sa Keith. And linis lang nila yung windscreen. Kasi madaming bird poop. Dito pa rin kami sa Keith. Nag-poop si Baby V.
Are we out?
No. Where are we?
Okay.
Wait. Sige, Keith. We're at Keith.
Where are we going?
Down
here.
Oh shoot, yeah. Where? Oh yeah, Mount Gambier. There.
Oh my god.
No, that's not it.
That's where we're going.
Is that the... Because she gave me the address and it doesn't say Port McDonald at all.
What does it say?
I'll give it to you later. I have it on my phone. So that's where we are, Keith. And then go down, 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 Mount Gambier. Huh.
Neil, come back.
We're unmistakable, unmissable. People know when we rock up. We never fly solo.
We need to we need to blur his
License plate.
license. Go out.
Time to step up to the plate. The rumbling stomachs of the young. Gloves on, gas on,
Dito kami kina Chona.
Welcome to my house.
Tingnan niyo yung aming pagkain. Lunch namin. Yan lang naman. Oh! Yummers! Meron pa tayong lobster. Garlic lobster yung. Yummers! Tapos kasaba. Hala, kasaba? Ano ka nakahanap ng kasaba? Meron ba dito? Yummers naman yan. Ikaw nagluto lahat?
Oo, tapos ito sabi ko, ano kayo?
Ikaw na talaga. Ay, meron pa!
Para mga
Pakagabi. Corned beef.
point,
Yum.
tapos magawa tayo ng ano.
Tingnan nga natin ito ulit. Ay, yummers. Kain. Oo nga eh. Ang pogi no. Tingnan mo to. Hi! Ano nga ulit? Ulit. Linag ko na to 2 beses na paulit-ulit. Yan. And bumili si Chona ng kaimito. Kaimito ba to sa Tagalog? Alam mo yung kaimito? Hindi niya din alam. Pero kaimito yan. And then, ay, napakita ko na yan. Hi, Holly! Oo, ang magandang bata. You're back! Hi! Hello! Ang ganda!
Dito ka, you want papa? Mama! Kalik mama, dili.
Aww! Gusto na niya ng blueberry.
Oh, favorite niya yan eh.
Excited. Ang cute! Ang cute, Mom! Yan yung plato ni Jonah.
Dapat pag pumupunta dito, dapat
Kay Jonah. Yung akin. Kay Kat. Ubus na sa'yo?
huwag ka dito ko rin.
Ikaw na talaga. Si Tin, tapos na daw siya eh. Ayaw na niya.
Kaya nga.
Ang aftermath. Tapos na ako after. Siguro mga 2 oras ako dito kanina. Thank you, babe. Si Dad umubos ng ganito ko kasi kanina pa ako dito nakaupo. Ang tagal ko natapos.
What's the score? I just wanna zoom in. There we go. Now what's the score?
Where are we? We're at Holly's house. Are we at your house? Huh? What's that? Is that mommy? Mommy! Hi, mommy! Okay ka lang, Kat? Ano na? Matatalo ang crows. Matatalo ang crows. Nag-ano si Dan? Nag-bet siya sa crows. What do you want? What do you want? What? What is that? Is that nose? Is that your nose? Let's go outside.
Go outside. Yan na yan. Asan yung shoes?
Where's your shoes?
Where's your shoes?
That's your nose.
Shoes, dapat is nose.
Sige, point. Ah, ilong.
Ilong.
She keeps
Ilong.
she keeps pointing her nose.
Ilong.
That's
Okay.
ilong, Hali? Where's ilong?
Where's ilong? Nasaan yung ilong?
Where's
What's your
ilong?
No,
Where's
ilong.
ilong?
Where's your ilong? No,
Ito
dila
daw,
na lang.
ilong to, ilong.
Ilong to.
Where's ilong?
Where's your ilong?
Ang
Go.
cute!
Bye-bye na. Go. Bye-bye na to Tita Raizo. Get your
Let's
shoes.
go, let's go. Where's your shoes?
Get your shoes na, Baba.
Kanina na kay Mito, please, ah?
Outside, can you pass it to Tita Raiz? The green one?
The green one?
The green one, yes.
Thank you.
That's a Chico? No.
Kay Mito?
Kay Mito.
Alam mo yung kay Mito, Day? Da! Hi!
Akala ko, ang Chico pala brown.
Such a good boy.
Ito nga eh.
Pumili ka na ng kama, Nay. Gusto ko, naghihintay ako sa Mark 3.
Oh. Yun nga, parang hindi ko rin. Kaya tinitin
Ang tagal pa. Kasi wala pa eh, wala pang room.
Wala nang wala nang usap-usapan.
Oo.
Nagano ka na?
Ay, sus! Ay! Kutsara! Ano, kutsara! Uy!
Ah, okay. Ano sabi mo?
Nagano ka na? Nagano ka na ng tax mo?
Nang tax? Wala pa, Day. Ang complicated ng akin kasi yung YouTube ko, babayaran ko.
Sa YouTube din.
Ay, may ganun yun.
Yung
Hindi
sabi
ba
kasi,
nakaltas yan? By...
Hindi kasi may certain amount.
kailangan ko siya i-report. Yung kasi kapatid niya, accountant. Tapos yun yung niya recommend na habang maaga pa i-report mo na kasi ma-detect talaga niya ng
Kasi
government.
depende sa sa kutabo.
Kasi yung ko din, sweldo ko, nasa Australian bank account.
Ah.
So talaga, tas yung PayPal ko, Australian PayPal din. So wala pa, Day. Nakuha nyo na yun sa inyo? Kasi si Dan hindi niya din makuha kasi dapat sabay kami kasi daw mag-asawa na kami.
Nakuha ko na.
May ganun ka din? Hindi natin alam. Wala?
Well, mayroon akong partial sa kanya pero hindi ko yun narinig. Para lang Basta baba, you want one? Do you wanna try? Oh, sure.
Try half first.
Try that one first.
Try that one first.
And then if you like it, you can have one. Okay?
Yeah.
And you and I.
It's fine.
But this bowl, you don't eat this one.
Saan kayo may kanin yan?
Sa Asian. Ja, siya
Si Jan! May tanim si Jan. Nagulat rin nga ako.
Yung ganito, Day, lagay mo lang, mo lang, itusok mo lang sa
sa
grass. Joke lang, Day. Uy, wala naman siyang tanim. Naniwala ka? Wala siyang tanim.
You don't like it?
Binili niya sa Asian sa grocery.
I like it, mommy.
You like it? You wanna have one?
Yeah, yeah.
Ayaw niya makipag-share sa akin.
Mom, is that yours?
Do you wanna try that?
You wanna try?
Mom, is that yours?
That's yours,
Is
yeah.
that yours?
Yes.
What if it's mine?
That's why.
You don't wanna eat it?
Oh, I'm so happy.
It's good.
Uy,
You don't want this?
Uy, pag wala kayong mga sa city, punta kayo dito sa bundok.
Aray yun, aray.
Grabe, nagreklamo siya, oh.
Pag lumaki na si Baby V, siya na magdadrive.
Mom.
Malaki-laki si baby.
Alright.
You're fine. Don't cry.
Give it to
Come here, come here. It's alright. It's fine. Hold up, please.
What happened, babe?
Daddy boy.
I held a.
Para bukas?
Bukas ang gusto mo? Kaldereta?
Char, no, kahit ano man ay.
Kasi,
Kahit ano.
kasi yung ito, mag-try ako.
Nagplano na siya na para bukas. Ito yung dinner. So, potato. Tapos lagyan niya ng French onion. Tapos, nilagyan mo din ng cream anay. Ay, nice.
Ito is prawns.
Yum. Ikaw gumawa niyan?
Kagabi.
Saan yung freezer niyo? Sa labas?
Andun sa karido. Yung crayfish doon.
Okay.
Tapos, eto, oh.
Hindi pa ako nakaluto ng ganyan man ay.
Alin?
Yung potato. Mashed potato. Yum.
Sorry.
So, ano ginagawa mo? Inaano bumaba siya? Parang,
Maglagay ka ng 1 tablespoon of vinegar, tapos sugar, bay leaves, onion, and then
tapos very low heat.
slow cook. Slow cook. Kanina pa yun dyan.
Tapos ito i-bake.
Tapos i-bake. Tapos after nyan, lagyan
Ano
mo siya
ba
ng-
yung nilagay mo dyan? Yung French onion soup?
Ito, tapos sour cream,
Sour cream. Sour cream.
tapos thickened cream.
Ah,
And
okay.
then garlic, salt, no salt.
Garlic?
Yeah, garlic powder.
Okay.
And, ano pa ba? Yun lang yan. Yeah, pepper. Konti lang. Wala nang asin.
Okay.
Kasi maalat na yan eh.
Holly. Oh, yeah. Ayun.
Kitin yung broom nila, no?
Oo nga eh. Yung isa, oh. Ano na?
Music? PJ?
Ang ganda niyan.
Parang di mo alam ko.
Who's Batman? Who's Batman? You? And you're Superman?
I'm Superman. Yeah, Batman.
How about Holly? Who is she? Wonder Woman?
He had a princess.
Princess? She's the princess. She's the princess. You're the Batman, and you're Superman. You broke that, and then you broke the drums. What else did you break? What else did you break? Nothing. That's it.
Bat girl.
Here, Holly.
Mommy, can I have
You
No,
have a
that
vlog?
is the easiest one.
You're a vlogger too, are you?
Yeah.
You're a vlogger as well. Where are we going?
that one?
Where are we going?
That will be alright, ako baba.
Sama namin si Chona. It's gonna be windy. Pero papakita niya sa amin yung boat nila. Ito yung boat niyo? Ay, di ba lang? Okay. But it looks like this, right?
Yeah.
Yung ganap?
And it looks like this.
Yeah.
Also right now.
Yeah.
He said maybe when
It's so cold!
Yeah.
Hey, Zach!
come and
Yeah, it'd be awesome. I love it. I can ski.
And then... Okay na ba yung chan mo, Day? Okay na? Bilis naman!
No.
Ano lang ako because
tomorrow they just
Nasubukan ka?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Hindi ko naman alam yun. Buntis ako eh. Silang buntis siya. Ano to? Hindi ko huli ako. Yeah. Nice. Sobrang ganda dito.
Beautiful. It's beautiful, though.
Yeah, it is. It is beautiful.
So clear as well.
picture pa mo. Mapa yung mga anak ko. Boy.
Oh, they're just inside the car? Picture tayo, Day!
Picture tayo. Picture.
Babe! Can you take a picture of us, please?
Holy puto.
Thank you, babe. Oh, really? You look good. What does it say, Zach? What does it say? That one? That sign?
Don't cross in the water.
Yeah, don't cross in the water.
Oh, danger.
Good boy. Danger. It is danger. Be careful there.
Wow.
Ano, unstable cliff kasi yun dito, guys. Hollow yan sa ilalim. So, ano, mag-ingat dun kasi anytime ano siya, mabre-break siya like that. Or sunset, guys. Ang ganda. Ang lamig pero ang ganda.
The great part of South Australia. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And like that Danby is close as well, so you need it. I think like nice shops and that. Not far. So, yeah.
Nice if you're getting, if you go shopping. Yeah, but yeah, we still like
Nakabalik na kami sa bahay ni Chuna. Magluluto kami ng dinner. Ay, siya pala. Siya lang.
tumulong din siya.
Tumulong din ako kanina. Ano to? Spring roll na may shrimp?
Prawns.
Ah, prawns. Ano ba kaibahan ng prawns at saka shrimp?
Yun nga, hindi ko na alam. Yung tawag nila dito, diba?
Oo, prawns. No. Lobster tas crayfish.
So, yeah.
Pero pareho lang yun, lobster.
Last time,
Ano? Story time.
remember
Ano
tea? Sabi ng friend ni Jan, why don't you stay here for tea? Sabi ko, okay.
Oh, tea, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Sabi ko, okay. Sabi ko, Han, let's go home. Sabi ko, why? Because I have to cook our dinner. We're having tea here. Sabi ko, alright, okay. What time are you? Diba?
Oo, yung dinner nila kasi tea. Tinatawag nila tea. Let's have tea.
So,
Dinner
alright.
na pala yun.
Tapos, okay, wait. Say, they serve the tea, so dinner. At the end of the dinner, there's no tea, a cup of tea. So,
Naghihintay ka ng tea.
wait, where's the tea? No, tea here is dinner. So, then lunch is different as well, right? Lunch is dinner. Dinner is lunch.
Talaga?
I think so. No. Bam! Honey! Remember lunch here is dinner, dinner is lunch? Opposite.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, I didn't know that.
Before, because
Is that just dito lang
I'm
sa Mount
not
Gambier?
sure. I'm not asked that.
Dito lang ba sa Mount Gambier?
No, Port Mac.
Dito lang sa Port na.
I don't know.
Tanungin natin si Dan. Ang sarap ng spring roll ni Chona. Merong prawn sa ilalim. Yummers. Ito kinain ni Zach. Iniwan lang dyan. Tingnan mo.
Kinagat niya yan?
Kinagat. Tapos parang natanggal galing dito. Anong gagawin mo na dressing? Thousand Islands? Sa tomato sauce. Tapos mayonnaise?
Oo, masarap sa Japanese na mayo. Mas masarap.
Oh, okay.
So, what? You're back.
Yeah, that one. There's nothing in there.
You said it's not good. You are...
Pwede nga.
Tinikman ni Kat yung gawa ko. Iyan. Pwede na daw ako magka-baby kasi marunong na ako nito.
Ng spring rolls.
Tignan niyo to. Sarap, sarap.
Grabe, uy.
Sabi ko nga sobrang malasa yung prawns, di ba, Day?
Ano ba yan?
Yan, tapos na mag-dinner.
Kung malapit ka lang, punta kami sa inyo every weekend. Every day. Ang saya siguro manay, no? Kasi lagi kang may bisita. Lagi kang may papakainin.
Minsan, yung kapitbahay namin. Can you bring it there?
Ah, talaga? Friends kayo na kapitbahay nyo? Hindi namin kilala yung kapitbahay namin.
Kapitbahay niya is, yung tumutulong sa boat niya.
Ah, okay. Okay. Yeah, kapitbahay namin, hindi kami Tapos na yung shift ko. Cut na. Stay in. Bye. Ito yung corned beef. Oh.
Hindi ka pa dito
Nakatikim na. Ang
Paano
tawag
mo-
namin dito, Silverside.
Oo, Silverside naman talaga. Pero
Ano yung Silverside?
Corn beef. Ito.
Ah, okay.
Kasi yung mga residente sa
Oo, Silverside. Oo. Yun naman talaga ang tawag dito.
Galing mo naman nagluto manay.
Ang alam ko lang sa corned beef yung oo, yung tawag din sa lata.
Kaya siguro sabi ko, ay, ang sarap. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi na natin mag-upon.
Hindi yung brand.
Are you your foods?
Hotdog naman. Beef loaf naman yun. Ano yung isa? Yung sikat na brand na corned beef? Yung red?
Argentina?
Hindi, yung isa. Hindi. Help him, babe. Help him. Help her.
Oh, no.
She will just look at you like, help.
You're alright.
Go. Naka-tiptoe. She's on her tiptoe. She's stuck again. Help.
Nasira yung mo manay, cortina. Hindi lang nila.
Patay ka dyan. Sino nagila? Ito?
Oo. Kapag nasa-stuck siya, tinatawag niya si Dana. Kapag kailangan na niya bumalik kasi hindi siya marunong bumalik. Na-stuck siya. Ah! Come back! Come back here! Go! Ang cute-cute mo! when she's talking, she's like, ah!
Come on, walk. Come here. Then she's looking to her.
It's a girl.
Yeah, like, help me. What are you doing? Cute.
Hoy.
Matutulog na kami, guys. Dito kami sa guest room nila. Pinastayin lang kami dito. Sobrang comfy. Ito yung bed. Si Dan nakapikit na. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. I think it's a long vlog. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget,